Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your POF account. Now if this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC. Now there, search for pof.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you do that, you will be directly landed to its official homepage. Now, if you haven't registered your Plenty of Fish account, then you can tap on register button at the top right of your screen and then create account for you. And now, in order to get logged into your Plenty of Fish account, then you have to simply tap on sign in button at the top right of your screen. And there you will be taken to its login page. Now here you have to simply type in your username or your email address that you have used to create your Plenty of Fish account. And then in the next field type in your account password. If you want to double check your password before moving on, you can always tap on eye icon to reveal your passwords. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password link in order to recover your password. Now once you're done with typing in your username and your password, tap on login button. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your POF account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.